Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use a PS4 controller on an Xbox with a Zen device. This setup unlocks a new level of versatility for your gaming experience. We will walk through the entire process step by step, ensuring you understand each crucial connection and configuration. By the end, you will be comfortably playing your favorite Xbox games using your preferred PS4 controller. It is simpler than you might think once you have the right guidance. To begin, gather your PlayStation 4 controller and a quality USB cable for connecting it. Of course, you will also need your Xbox console. The heart of this operation is the Cronus Zen device, which acts as the crucial adapter. Make sure you also have at least 2 additional high-quality USB cables, one for connecting the Zen to a computer and another for linking the Zen to your Xbox. Having everything ready saves time and ensures a smooth setup. First, connect your Cronus Zen device to your computer using a micro USB cable. Next, you need to download and install the Zen Studio software directly from the official Cronus website. Once installed, use Zen Studio to update your device's firmware to the latest available version. This ensures optimal performance and compatibility. Finally, you can load a specific game pack or script from the Zen Studio library, tailoring your controller's functionality to your preferred game. It is a straightforward process. If you encounter problems during activation, first double-check that you are typing your credentials correctly. Temporary passwords can be case-sensitive. If the system rejects your login, use the Forgot Password or Account Recovery option. This usually sends a reset link to your personal email. Make sure you are using the correct web address for your college's email system. Should problems persist, do not hesitate to contact the university's IT help desk. They are there to assist you promptly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.